Hi Facebook fans, Dr. Jackie Russo here from Wellness Works Group, again in my bathroom. We're going to have to stop meeting like this. But today I want to share with you my favorite secret anti-aging technology. It's actually called a LumiSpa. It is a facial cleansing product. I don't know how many of you guys have used Clarisonics in the past. This was always my go-to until my dermatologist shared with me how much bacteria was stored inside of these bristles and the fact that a lot of times these Clarisonics would cause more skin problems than they would skin solutions. So I am, as of today, throwing my Clarisonic in the trash, and I'm changing my cleansing routine to include this LumiSpa by Nu Skin. Now, a couple of things that are unique about it. Number one is it's got this medical grade silicone and a counter oscillating brush head. If I turn it on, you can see it counter oscillates, so you get not only a deep, gentle cleanse, but you also get a massage and exfoliation during the time that you are cleaning your face, and it feels really good. It's so simple to use. I'm going to show you how simple it is to use. You put your cleanser on the head, and I just rub it all over my face, get it going, push the button, and it is pre-programmed to cleanse your face for 2 minutes. It's recommended that you use it once a day for 7 days in a row, and you will see amazing difference in the pore size in your face, and you will feel a difference in how squeaky clean your face feels when you are finished. And then the most important thing of all, after you are finished cleaning your face, and I won't do it for the whole 2 minutes, but you can see that it easily contours up around your eyes, around your nose. It just glides over your face, deep cleaning all of your pores and increasing circulation, which helps to carry off waste products from your face as well. Now you can also use this for your neck and your chest. I'm not going to get completely intimate with you here this morning, but I did want you just to see how easily it is to demonstrate the use of this product. Okay, so we're going to pretend like my 2 minutes is up and it's stopped, and now all I have to do is run this whole thing under the sink. It's completely waterproof, so you can use it in the shower. And because of the silver ions and the antimicrobial agents that are used in the silicone head, it is so easy to clean this. You do not have to worry that there's going to be bacteria left on the surface, the cleaning surface. It's going to be completely safe. Once it's dry, it is completely bacteria free and you can use it again. So I'm going to now finish washing my face. I'm going to wish you all a wonderful day. And if you'd like to learn more about the LumiSpa, go to our website, wellnessworksgroup.com, and learn how you can also have the cleanest, freshest face on the planet. Have a wonderful day.